Itel's latest affordable smartphone called Itel Zeno is now official in India, with 5G support. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Itel Zeno 5G boasts a 6.67-inch HD Plus IPS display, with a up to 120 Hz refresh rate support, and it has a hole punch at the top center that carries an 8-megapixel selfie shooter. The rear panel of the phone features a 50-megapixel main camera, with f1.6 aperture, along with the light sensor and IR blaster. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 2K videos at 30 frames per second. Under the hood, the Itel Zeno 5G comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4GB of LPDDR4X RAM, that can be extended up to another 4GB by using internal storage, and it has 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage, with microSD expansion support up to 1TB. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 18 watts charging support, but the user will get 10 watts charger inside the box, and it runs on Android 14 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Itel Zeno 5G has been priced in India at 10,299 Indian rupees. And it is now available for purchase in the country in Calx Titanium, Shadow Black, and Wave Green shades color options. So, what do you guys think of this Itel Zeno 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.